I've hummed and hawed about making this video, but so this is what I'm currently working on. My chainsaw. I didn't even think about the fact that I might drive over it, but that's exactly what happened. Put the chainsaw in a bad place. Instead, I ended up driving on it. And so I broke the handle of the chainsaw, which is that piece. And I broke the cover, which is that. The guys at Pickering Mower had another chainsaw, which basically became a donor chainsaw. And so I bought the parts off of them secondhand. They gave me a good deal. And they told me it was gonna take 2 hours to rebuild it and it's gonna cost quite a bit of money. So I was like, oh, that's okay, I can do it myself. I know at the time that that would involve rebuilding the motor, because the motor, whatever can go wrong will go wrong, and fix it before it becomes an issue. I think we'll ever get it back together. There it is. And I actually had to take my 8mm socket and grind it down because it wouldn't fit in there. So wait, that's a look. I've got the top end on again, but then all of a sudden, as I'm putting things together, I spotted this. It looks a lot like something that should be in the engine. I thought assembly. I can't even take myself seriously like this. And then I figured out that it's not indeed meant to be inside. It's holding the clutch plate cover here. So I'm in good shape. All right. First pull. That's crazy. So happy about that. Finally back. I have to give a big thanks to the guys at Pickering Mower. There's a lot of things that they help me out with, and I really appreciate their guidance. Super knowledgeable mechanics and parts and service department. So highly recommend them. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting them back in action. Bye for now.